Let's talk about the periods of the periodic table. Now this is modern periodic table. Now we are concerned with periods of periodic table. Today's focus is on periods. Now how many periods we have in our periodic table? Look at this: first period, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh period. Period means the elements which form the horizontal row of the periodic table is called periods. But what about the lanthanides and actinides? Lanthanides and actinides are not in this period. Actually, they are also in this period. Look at this. After the lanthanum, atomic number 57, 14 elements having atomic number 58 to 71 comes in sixth period, and then only the atomic number 72 comes. That's why lanthanide goes inside this main periodic table. After the lanthanum, 14 elements should be taken, and in the same way here we have actinium having atomic number 89, and after 89 from 90 to 103 these elements are called actinides, should be taken after the actinium. If it is so, then we'll have a little long periodic table in which after the lanthanum and actinium of this periodic table we have to remove this part of the periodic table, and lanthanides and actinides can be connected here. Now this periodic table is still now not completed. It's very long, so it cannot be shown in the screen. I want to make them small like this. Now the right hand side, whatever left, I want to join here. If we join like this, then we have a long, very long periodic table. Here S block element 1A and 2A, here P block element from 3A to 0, and here D block element from 4B to 2B. And what about this lanthanides and actinides? They are called F block element. In modern periodic table, elements are not only divided into groups and periods, they are distinctly divided into S, P, D and F block element. If we add this lanthanides and actinides in the main periodic table, then we will have very long periodic table like this. Usually this type of periodic table is not shown, but let it be. We are talking about the periods, that's why let's take the same. In first period we have hydrogen in far left, and in far right we have helium. First period contains just 2 elements, and second period contains lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, altogether 8 elements. And third period also contains 8 elements: sodium, magnesium, and then aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Till 20 atomic number we have to remember the elements also. Fourth period starts with potassium and it ends at krypton. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 elements are present in fourth period. And in fifth period, how many? Fifth period also contains 18, but in sixth period this lanthanides is also included, including 14 lanthanides. Altogether we have 32 elements in sixth period. But in seventh period we cannot say it is complete, so seventh period is incomplete. This way we can understand very easily. First period is very short period, but second period is short period, and third also short period, and fourth period and fifth period contains 18 elements each. That's why they can be told as long period, and sixth period is the longest period, very long period, and seventh period already written as incomplete period. Now we can conclude that the elements that form a horizontal row of periodic table are known as periods of periodic table. If you are asked this question, what do you mean by very short, long and very long period of the periodic table, then you can say that period 1 of the periodic table is called very short period because it contains only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Period 2 and 3 of the periodic table are called short period because they contains 8 elements, and period 4 and 5 of the periodic table are called long period because they contain 80 elements in each of them. Period 6 or sixth period of the periodic table is called the very long period because it contains 32 elements. If you have to tell about the seventh period also, then you can say that period 7 is called incomplete period because many elements are yet to be discovered which have high atomic number. Now I want to stop. We'll meet in another class with some another matter.